How to delete your YouTube account permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your YouTube account permanently. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as you must have already known that your YouTube account is associated to your Google account. So if you want to delete your YouTube account, you'll actually need to delete your Google account as well. So first open up your YouTube. After you open up your YouTube, head over to the bottom right corner on the U section. After you tap on it, you will get an option to simply tap on your Google account on the top. Tap on Google account, and after you're on your Google account, what you'll then see is a lot of different options related to your Google account. So from here, you'll need to head over to data and privacy, tap on it, and after you're on your data and privacy, you should see a lot of different options. So what you'll need to do from here is you'll need to head over to your Google's dashboard. Now, you can head over there if you find that option. If you don't find it, you can simply search for delete your account. So right here, you'll see download delete your data. So right here, what you'll need to do is tap on delete a Google service. And after you do that, you'll then get an option to choose your account. Now, let me just log in into my account. So after you're on your Google account, so after you type in your password, you'll see 4 different options. So tap on this YouTube option and the trash icon right besides it. Tap on it, and here you will see I want to delete my content, that is permanently. Tap on that and choose all of these here. Tap on delete my content. Now type in your account again, password again, and you can tap on delete my content. Now this will actually just delete your content that you have posted. You cannot delete your account from here. What you'll need to do to delete the account is delete your Google account itself. So yeah, that's basically how you delete your YouTube account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.